टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट। मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपका ऑनलाइन शिक्षक सत्येंद्र कुमार राय हूँ। यदि आप मेरे नए वीडियो की सूचना सबसे पहले प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, तो कृपया मेरे आने वाले नए वीडियो के लिए मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। The computers can be divided in 5 generations, i.e., depending upon the technologies used. The 5 generations of computer are: First generation. First generation computers used valves or vacuum tubes and all components were joined by copper wire. Due to large size of the computers and due to the facts that the components had to be spaced apart as the valves generated a lot of heat, the computers were very bulky and required huge electric power, air conditioners, maintenance and space for their installation. Further, the speed of operation was very slow and had a very low reliability factor as vacuum tubes failed frequently. The main feature of computers developed during this generation were: the vacuum tube computers were very big in size. These computers generated lot of heat. Low capacity internal storage. Electric power consumption was very large. Rate of failure was more as vacuum tubes burn out very frequently. The inputs and outputs were in form of ones and zeros. Second generation. Second generation was made, and there was just a little change to the first generation, and its mode of operation was the transistor instead of valves. These computers were used for calculation of great figures as well as scientific applications. The main feature of computers developed during this generation were: the second generation computers were very small in size as compared to first generation. Generated a lower level of heat than first generation. Rate of failure was lesser than vacuum tubes computes. Electric power consumption was lesser than first generation. Different languages were developed. Third generation computer was designed to suit a small piece of space, and its mode of operation was based on silicon, and its used large silicon integrated circuit. The main feature of computers developed during this generation were: smaller in size as compared to second generation computes. Higher capacity internal storage. Multi-programming facilities. Remote communication facilities. Failure of IC was rare. Different languages were developed. Processes, which operate in nanosecond speed range. Fourth generation. Fourth generation computers was also designed to suit a small piece of space, and its mode of operation was based on silicon of very large silicon integrated circuit VLSI and ultra large silicon integrated circuit ULSI. The use of VLSI has made the fourth generation microcomputers very compact, much less expensive, faster, more reliable and much greater data processing capacity than equalized third generation computers. Fifth generation. Fifth generation of computer is the development of softwares to enhance computer works and its robotic applications. The fifth generation gives the highest priority to making system that is easy and natural to use. Thanks for watching. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। कृपया लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको सबसे पहले अगले लेटेस्ट वीडियो की सूचना मिले।